A two-day conference of governors has concluded at the Rashtrapati Bhavan in the national capital. The president giving closing remarks last evening, emphasizing issues such as tribal welfare, women empowerment, natural farming and drug addiction, among others. She also appreciated the work done by groups of governors, which was constituted to deliberate on issues of national importance. Mehendee, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast. Mehendee, what was this conference about that has concluded last evening?
Well, yes, Rishabh, two-day conference of governors has concluded and, the President, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, has lauded the collective efforts of the governors to have the comprehensive discussions, in the spirit of mutual learning. Also, in her closing remarks, she appreciated all the groups of governors that came out with their valuable ideas and, suggestions to improve the functioning of their offices also. But, various discussions have also happened in this two-day conference in which, different groups of governors, as in the 6 groups of governors, has made a presentation also based on their deliberations and, suggesting a future roadmap before, President Srimati Draupadi Murmu, along with Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and also Union Home Minister Amit Shah. And this was a very important meeting also because, Rishabh, several key issues, as you mentioned also, that tribal affairs was discussed, drug issue was majorly discussed in this two-day conference, and also the women empowerment was most important in this discussion also. And while addressing all the governors in that press conference also, Prime Minister Modi also specifically mentioned that this should be a consistent attempt to train the staff, for the effective functioning of all the Raj Bhavans also, because governors play a very important role in the functioning of the state or the Raj they are responsible for. And also various discussions about the digitalization also was discussed, because Prime Minister Modi specifically forced upon this model of digitization, which Make in India and digital prospects was in concern also, in which Prime Minister Modi has said and urged the governors to embrace the technology in their functioning and promote their digitization also.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.